Hello everyone, welcome to BIMModel.com. This is Raj. I have been working in this BIM industry for a couple of years. So we do BIM modeling services for other countries, other consulting services and designers and consultants. And recently we started doing training videos and people as a fan, they used to ask us giving the files. It is difficult for me to upload each and everything to the Google Drive or Dropbox and giving the link. So I have started this website long back, but never used it really. And I have created a couple of pages and started uploading the families. Now we have the team people, so they are when they are free, they are uploading the files as a family for the others to use it. When we say that others to use it, they can download as free, and they can go to the downloads option. They will be able to download it. So in continuous to this free services, we are launched calculators for different purposes, and we really need your feedback so you can go and use them. You can double check on them and what is the resulted value is right or wrong. If any comments, we are trying to update them. We want to create as many calculators related to the AAC industries. Do let us know what can be done, what can be improved in the calculators available in this place. In continuous with that, we are introducing a new option, future request. If you need any futures, any families that you need for your company purpose or your own modeling purpose, if it is more useful to the more users, if it is required in this place, we will be able to complete them based on the requirement. So most of the cases, we are working with our clients. So our clients supports will be more important to run this business. So it is our duty that we support this free community. So if you need any families, we are able to update them whenever it comes to the more required kind of families. So do let us know. You can log in to this page and you will be able to request any families that you needed. Yes, we may take some time, but we will be able to update it as soon as possible. Do let us know what are the other things that we need to improve or something. So we are happy to do that, and we are still improving. We are not much like a corporate. Still, we are working as a team, so people are working hard to do this. We should appreciate them as well. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope this website helps at some point of time to the people who are coming to this community. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the another videos.